ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni, X2 Pro Plus Vacuum Cleaner Sweeping Robot. Real cleaning results. You vacuum, then mop, then notice crumbs hiding along the edges anyway. It feels like you clean in circles. A neighbor told me she spent every Sunday chasing pet hair across hardwood, only to see it back by Tuesday. That quiet frustration builds, especially after work. Have you felt that too, when cleaning never quite feels finished? Missed cleanups turn into rushed mornings. You step on grit in bare feet and feel that faint crunch that instantly raises stress levels. One busy dad admitted he avoided inviting friends over because the floors never looked consistently clean. It adds up fast. The time, the noise, the mental load. What if control came back without adding more effort? This is where the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni, X2 Pro Plus Vacuum Cleaner Sweeping Robot shifts the conversation. Don't just pick any robot vacuum. Make sure it has 8,000 Pascal suction power and hot water mop washing, so you avoid weak carpet pickup and smelly mop pads that everyone complains about. That combination alone changes daily maintenance. You get deep suction for carpets, dual rotating Osmo Turbo 2.0 mops applying steady pressure, and automatic 131 degree Fahrenheit hot water washing that keeps pads genuinely fresh. Add the 15mm mop lift, and it transitions from hard floors to carpets without soaking fibers. A real estate agent I spoke with nearly missed a listing photo shoot when guests tracked mud across tile. She ran a quick zone clean from the app, and the robot finished before the photographer arrived. Crisis avoided. The dual laser LiDAR mapping builds precise room layouts, while AIV3D 2.0 avoids cables and shoes even in low light. It even auto-empties for up to 90 days. Quietly impressive. Some experienced users also appreciate how the square design reaches corners round robots often skim past, which matters more than you expect. Living with it feels less like owning a gadget and more like removing a chore from your calendar. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni X2 Pro Plus Vacuum Cleaner Sweeping Robot maps up to 4,300 square feet, runs for up to 3 hours, then automatically returns to charge and resume where it stopped. An industry reviewer noted that the square frame noticeably improves edge coverage compared to traditional round designs. A tech influencer highlighted the 8,000 Pascal suction as best in class for mixed flooring homes. An analyst reviewing flagship robots pointed out that combining hot water washing, auto-drying, and auto-emptying in one Omni station reduces daily maintenance dramatically. One pet owner shared that after 2 months, she still had not manually emptied the bin, and the rubber brush handled shedding with minimal tangling. I noticed the 9.5 centimeter height slipping under low sofas where older robots failed. Simple detail. If you worry it might be too complex, the ECOVACS Home app walks you through setup step by step. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Would this replace your current routine or simply upgrade it? The ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni X2 Pro Plus Vacuum Cleaner Sweeping Robot is built for people who value clean floors without constant supervision. You gain structured mapping, strong suction, hygienic hot water mop care, and true hands-free dust management. Results may vary by home layout, but consistent maintenance becomes far more realistic. Join the many homeowners already seeing steadier cleaning results week after week. Take a closer look. Click the link below and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.